Locate the bulb you intend to replace.
Open the hatch to gain access to the bulb assembly.
Remove the bolts by turning them counterclockwise.
The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
Pry the housing away from the vehicle first, then pull it out. Disconnect the bulb housing. Push the tab and pull the connector to remove it. Remove the bulb assembly by twisting it counterclockwise. Pull the bulb to remove it from the socket. Never touch the bulbs with bare hands. The oils on your fingers can create hot spots and cause the bulb to burn out prematurely. Use rubbing alcohol to wipe off the bulb if you touch it. Using a quality bulb is of paramount importance. With over 100 years of lighting expertise, Sylvania offers lights with quality components, longer life, and optimal performance. Sylvania also offers a direct install replacement option to easily upgrade from traditional bulbs to LED lights, providing you with longevity, performance, and style. Insert the new bulb into the socket. You should feel it click. Insert the bulb assembly into the lens and twist it clockwise to lock it. Reconnect the bulb housing.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place.
Replace the bolts by turning them clockwise.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.